Hello good people, we're going to be making salame di cioccolato today. That's chocolate salami. It's a no-bake sweet treat that is bound to make everybody happy in the family, adults and kids alike. Eggs, sugar, pinch of salt and vanilla. And we're going to be mixing it lightly, just enough to combine. In a bowl over slightly simmering water, we're going to be mixing some dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and some butter. Mix it until the whole thing is nice and melted. Now that the chocolate is fully melted, we're going to be adding the eggs to the mixture. And always mixing, we'll keep cooking for about 5 minutes. This will pasteurize the eggs. Next, we're going to be taking this off the hob and adding the liqueur. This is ready. We're going to be covering this with cling film now and put it in the fridge for about an hour to stiffen up. Our mixture has chilled, so it's time to add our biscuits. We're going to be roughly breaking them in large chunks. We don't want to be too fine with it, so do it by hand. So we're going to be adding a good helping of pistachios, chopped hazelnuts. You can pick whatever nuts you fancy. And if you want, you can make it even more sophisticated and start adding bits like dried apricots, or if you're brave enough, some crystallized ginger. And this is where the fun starts. We'll be shaping this like a 4-5 centimeters diameter log, that's about a couple of inches, by rolling it over our baking paper. Once you've shaped your mixture like a nice log, twist the ends of your baking paper and put this in the fridge for a few hours, ideally overnight, so that it gets nice and stiff and ready to be sliced. Our chocolate salami is nice and ready. All that is left to do now is to give it a very authentic finish with a dusting of icing sugar. Make sure you coat it nicely all over. And just like real salami, you're supposed to be eating this with your bare hands. But if you want to turn it into an indulgent dessert, just add a couple of spoons of vanilla ice cream or some whipped cream, and it'll be the perfect ending to an indulgent dinner. Delicious.